Hey pros, so I wanted to bring you guys on the journey to revamp a portion of our back patio. Of course, you can tell Christian is my helper for the day, and this patio definitely needed a pick-me-up. It needed some new patio furniture. I really never decorated this patio from living, just even when we got into the house. It's been about 3 years now that I've owned this home. And I finally looked at the back patio and said, okay, I'm sick of this. Like, I'm sick of it. Sick of it. I'm sick of it. Anyway, I ordered some patio furniture and I had this bright idea for what I wanted it to be or wanted it to look like. I did go through Amazon for a lot of the furniture, and then I also went through Wayfair for the furniture pieces as well. So this rug, which is an outdoor rug, came from Amazon. It was like $60, and this is a 9x11 rug. I will have a link for this in my Amazon store in the description box of this video. Now, one thing I will tell you is when you order these pieces, just know that you have a lot to put together. And Christian was such a big help. He was definitely the man because Christian literally was using the drill. He was putting the pieces together. He was reading the instructions. He just helped me do this entire project. I am so thankful for my baby boy because he is definitely just growing up to just be the most amazing man. And I am praying and just not even praying. I'm just thanking God because I want a man's man, and that is my baby boy. Like, he literally is the guy. Now, he was a little upset here because I was telling him that we had to turn all the chairs over, and he's looking at me like, Mom, why you didn't tell me that from the beginning? But, you know, he still jumped right in and did what he needed to do to help his mom. And once again, once we were done, he was like, okay, I'm going inside to go play video games. So we got to spend about 4 hours together. And that definitely is something that I treasure because, you know, I never really have a lot of time all the time to spend with them. You know, by the time we get home in the evenings, we are literally running and gunning, you know. So now that a lot of the sports are over, that kind of thing, we're able to work on things like this together and, you know, do little projects in the house as pick-me-ups and refreshers. And I'm really just now enjoying my home. Like, I bought this home 3 years ago. And if you know, you know, but I am literally just now enjoying the home that I purchased. Just, it's a celebration for me. As much as it sounds like sadness, it's not. I am in such an amazing space. I'm so thankful for the journey that I've been on, and I'm so thankful for where I am now, because this time last year, I was literally miserable, literally in depression for more reasons than one. So, you know, to say that I'm here now and I'm doing these things and enjoying time with my kids and, you know, doing the things that I should have been doing, or even just when the time came, I am thankful for it. So you guys are going to always hear me give out gratitude. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. I joke. Don't unsubscribe. Just don't watch my videos. All right. Anyway. Oh, gosh. So the last piece of this puzzle was putting together two planters that I saw on Amazon and that I wanted to put on the side of the sectional. I also had gotten two egg chairs, which there's only one on the patio. But I got an egg chair on TikTok Shop. If you guys don't know, I love TikTok Shop. It's addicting. And I got the egg chair, so I wanted to incorporate that in the design. So I put it really near one of the corners because it just kind of nested right in that corner. It fit really well. And that was going to allow us to have that out of the way, but still be able to use it as an egg chair. From here, we're just finishing up the two planters, putting them together, and then put the planters away. Now, I did not actually get the artificial plants yet to go into the planters. I actually just found some at the Goodwill. Don't ever be ashamed to go to Goodwill, you guys, and shop. Like for my decor stuff, I love the Goodwill. Love, love, love. So this is somewhat the end result. I still have some decor items and pillows to add to this. I also got a really cute ceramic cigarette urn because my boyfriend smokes outside and I do not like to see ashes everywhere. And then to finish it off, I just repurposed some of the furniture that I already had. Now, the only thing we are going to change is this patio set. We've had it many years, but I hope you guys enjoyed our revamp.